the Sharjah Pavilion participation, we have Jarrah, who are showcasing the entrepreneurship ecosystem in the Emirate of Sharjah. We have also Spark, who also promoting facilities and packages for industrial license and industries. We have Gulftainer, who are showcasing the logistics ecosystem in the Emirate of Sharjah, Al-Rabwa Group, and the Ras Khoon, who are offering industrial plots of lands for investors. We have Sharjah Investor Services Center, Saeed, who showcase the investor services for all investors, reinforcing the strength and integration of the industrial ecosystem in the Emirate of Sharjah. We've seen it already in the first day, new partnerships for sure, further business activities and strong engagement